Hey there, it's Lee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to stay completely hidden on WhatsApp. It's quick, simple, and you'll be appearing offline in no time. So let's jump straight into it. First, what we want to do is open up WhatsApp and head over to the settings located in the bottom right hand corner. From there, go to the account and then security, and then back to privacy. There are 3 settings we're going to change here to make your account seem offline. The first is the last seen option. Click on that and make sure it's set to nobody. This way nobody will be able to see when you're last active on WhatsApp. Next, click on status option, which is the last one in the group. Right now it's set to my contacts, but you want to make sure that it's set to only share with, and then select nobody. This way your status is only visible to you and nobody else can see it. Lastly, make sure that the read receipts are turned off. This way nobody will be able to see if you've read their message, and they won't know if you're online or not. And that's it. Now you're completely hidden on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.